what you're going to have on the other side, we are going to have 5x. Therefore, this side we're going to have negative. What's up, guys? Now let's have a look at this one right here. It's from a past paper. It is saying that we need to solve for x for these given equations 1 up to 4. All right, let's have a look at this one. Number 1, we are given x plus 3 x minus 1 is equals to 0. All right, therefore this one already is just a straightforward. It's going to be x plus 3 is equals to 0, or x minus 1 is equals to 0. Here we solve for x, we take 3 to the other side, is going to be negative 3, or x is equals to 1. Right, simple, straightforward, guys. You just have to equate each equation is equals to 0, therefore you solve for x. Okay, let's move on to number 2. Number 2, we are given 2x squared minus 5x plus 2 is equals to 0. This is a trinomial. Guys, you know we have done a lot when it comes to factorizing trinomials on this channel. Please have a look at the other examples as well. So to solve for this trinomial, you're going to put 2xx there. What are the two numbers? When you multiply them together, they give you 2 is only 2 times 1 in this case. Therefore, you want 2 to multiply with this 2 so that they can give you 4. Here is a positive sign, so it's going to be negative and negative 1. All right, therefore let's check our answer. 2 times 2x times 2 is going to be 4, negative 4 rather, and therefore negative 1 times x is going to be negative x. Negative 4x negative x will give us negative 5, which is this one here in the middle. You guys, if you want more details on how to do this and to check your answer, please check. I think on our examples we also did the monkey face check. All right, so let's move on here. X minus 1 is equals to 0. I hope you guys can understand. Or x negative 2 is equals to 0. If you don't understand, please let me know on the comment section below. How can we improve our lessons? All right, so therefore you take 1 to the other side. 2x is equals to 1, divide by 2 because you are looking for x, you are not looking for 2x. This will give us x is equals to 1 over 2. Then in this other side, we're gonna just take 2 to the other side, which is going to give us x is equals to 2. Right, great stuff. Now let's do number 3. Number 3, we are given an exponent 2 to the power of 3x negative 1 is equals to 64. What do you do in this case? You need to change 64. Go and check in your calculator. Those who got scientific calculator, you can say 64, you say shift, then you say fact, then it will give you the factors. All right, so when I do that, in this case, I found that we can also express 64 as 2 to the power of x. All right, therefore, what does the rule exponent say? Said if the bases are the same and you are solving, therefore it simply means the exponents are equal. So it's going to be 3x minus 1 is equals to 6. Then we take 1 to the other side. We take 1 to the other side is going to be 3x is equals to x 6 rather plus 1 is equals to 7. Therefore you divide both sides by 3 because you are looking for x, you are not looking for 3x. Therefore what we have here, we are going to have 7 over 3. That will be our answer. Okay, moving right along, let's see, guys. Okay, number 4. Number 4 is also an exponent. What we have, we've got 27x minus 2 is equal to 81. It's equals to 2x plus 1. Therefore, we need to go and check for the factors of 27 and see if we can express this in a different way. Yes, we can. 3 to the power of 3 gives us 27, but because now there's an exponent here, 3 must multiply what is at the exponent. 81, we can do the same thing here. 81, when I check the factors, it can be also expressed as 3 to the power of 4, but because there's an exponent here, this 4 must also multiply this exponent that is here. Okay, so now what does the rule say? The rule says if you are having solving and then the bases are the same, which in this case they are, therefore the exponent should therefore be equal as well. So 3x minus 2 will be equal to 2x plus 1. All right, so we just need to remove the bracket here. 3x, 3 times x is going to be 3x. 3 times negative 2 is going to be negative 6 is equals to 4 times 2x is going to be 8x. 4 times 1 is going to be plus 4. Okay, therefore what we can do now, we can take 6 to the other side and therefore take negative to the other, or the other way around, take 3 to that side and then 4 to this side. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take 3 to the other side, 4 to this. When 4 comes to this side, is going to be negative 4. 3 goes that side, is going to be 8x minus 3 x. Therefore, ultimately, what you're going to have on the other side, we are going to have 5x. Therefore, this side we are going to have negative 10. So we are looking for x divided by 5 divided by 5. Therefore, x is going to be equals to negative 2. Alright guys, and that's how you would deal with examples like this one. I am Gaston Mapala. Let me see you on the next upload. Don't forget to give us a like and a subscribe.